Hey everybody, welcome back to Life in the Empty Nest. Today we are going to take you on a tour of the big house. If you have seen our other videos, we have two homes on our property. One is our cottage, which we use for Airbnb and short-term vacation rental. And the other is our main house, which we do most of our living in. The name of our property is Hale Ohana, which is family home in Hawaiian, and the cottage is called the Cottage at Hale Ohana. Somehow it's gotten shortened to the little house and the big house. I guess I should give you some stats on the house. The house is 2,000 square feet. It has 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. As you can see, we get our daily exercise with our 29 stairs leading up to the house. This gives us a lovely view of the Guadalupe River. Here we have the heart of the home, our family room. I have tried many different area rugs, actually 3 different sofas before falling in love with this leather beauty from Article. My peacock chairs are very old but comfy chairs. I had them reupholstered with this beautiful fabric I found and kept for many years, knowing that it would have a place. The table was made by my stepdad, and the chaise is from Wayfair. My husband and I made the end tables. We used hairpin legs we purchased on Amazon. One is just a piece of wood we found at a lumber yard, and the other is an exceptionally cool wine crate that I was gifted. One of the areas that was not completed when we moved in was the fireplace and surrounding shelves. My husband made the mantle and finished the shelves with cedar to match the cedar beams on the ceiling. The tile was a leap of faith. I wanted a strong focal point, and I think that has been achieved. All the tiles are from Home Depot. The hallway leads to the bedrooms. On the right is the laundry room and the princess bedroom. I designed this room with my daughter in mind, who at the time was still in college in Texas. So I wasn't sure if she would actually live here, but at least I knew she'd visit when she has a room like this. The room is pink because, why not? The color adds such a happy vibe, and the light in this room in the late afternoon is inspiring. This room also functions as my office, but I'll spare you the view of my desk because it's pretty messy. The mirror in the bathroom was embellished by me, and I'm pretty proud of it. The Prince room obviously has a more masculine feel, and it was my attempt to have my son visit more often. This room has changed functions and now is more like my husband's man cave. The feature in here is the 1961 Thunderbird hood, which was a headboard until we decided we needed a couch in there. It's a bit hodgepodge in here right now, but it will be revamped soon. The hall bath is actually a Jack and Jill bathroom that leads to the Prince room. So if we have guests over, they can use the hall bath, but if they sleep over, they have privacy and their own entrance from that other room. The laundry room is our pantry as well as laundry room. And this was an area that was not completed when we moved in. And until very recently, we just had a wire rack for the pantry items. But luckily, we finally installed this beautiful matte blue IKEA cabinetry. And now it's a dream space. On the right, it's kind of under construction at the moment, but that will house our future wine cellar, aka wine wall. And the kitchen. Oh, how I love my kitchen. I have even named my KitchenAid range. Her name is Sophia. She's a beauty and is well used. All of my appliances are KitchenAid except for the microwave drawer, which is Sharp, I believe, and the wine fridge. The kitchen area functions really well for a cook and for socializing. The dining table was custom made by a local furniture maker in San Antonio. I found the table base at an antique store, and it was actually a coffee table base from the 80s, but was very high. I wanted him to turn it upside down because I thought it looked better. Then I stained and painted it. So that concludes the tour of the big house. What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. Please give me a thumbs up on this video if you liked it. And of course, subscribe if you already haven't. And, share it with your friends. I'd love to hear what they think too. Well, aloha, till next time.